Hey everybody, and welcome back to Dad Bear DIY and the beginning of our next big project on the 99 Jeep Cherokee XJ. If you're wondering who my special guest is here, this is J Bear,
Hello.
and he is helping me remove the headliner. Now I know in previous videos I had said that I was probably going to have somebody else do the headliner, but I got a quote on that and it's about 3 times as expensive as it was the last time I did. So I'll save that money and pay for it in back pain.
There you go.
Alrighty. So not going to be really any commentary in this video. We're just going to be tearing stuff down. Probably be a time lapse. And this is just the beginning. So thanks for checking out the channel. Thanks for watching the video. Remember, hit that like, subscribe, notification bell, and share it. And we'll have more videos coming out. It's a really dirty interior. So when I found out how much carpet was going to cost to replace, I'm going to probably try to salvage this as much as I can. We'll see how that goes.
Shouldn't
Anyway,
be too bad.
Hopefully. All right. Thanks again, guys. We'll see you later. And again, thanks for checking out the video. All right, everybody. To my knowledge, we've gotten everything that's actually holding this headliner in removed. So now J Bear and I are going to try to pull this out. And we're just taking, there's a lot of nasty, cooked baked foam in this. So we're just taking the extra precaution of wearing some gloves just to keep from getting super nasty, and masks, Cather Bell. But anyway, so we're gonna try to get this pulled out.
Alright, let's do it. Should be easy enough.
Woo! All right. So we got the headliner out now. It's not in too bad a shape. And I don't know. I wanted to pale them. Yeah. What time did you get here?
About 12.
About noon.
Took about 50 minutes.
So yeah, it's like 10 after 1. So it didn't take us anything more than an hour, really.
Not too bad.
So not too bad at all. One person could probably do it, but if you're not trying to, if you don't want to risk tearing up your headliner, 2 people, it's a dirty job, obviously. It doesn't help that, how hot did you say it was?
86.
86 degrees, and we got high humidity today. So the next step is going to be, I'll be probably using a wire brush to take off any foam residue that's on there, being extra careful not to damage the headliner. For some reason I expected it to be a lot more like rigid than it was. And then I'll be going to a local fabric store to try to pick up some either actual headliner material, or I'll find something to put there. I know a lot of people use like fleece blankets or throws, whatever. I might do that, but I know I did not pay. I want to say I paid maybe $150 to $175 to get the headliner done back in 2020. I was quoted $325 yesterday to redo the headliner. Not worth it. Not worth it for me just trying to save myself from having to do the work. So we're going to do the work. Anyway, thanks for checking out the video. I'm going to continue to pull interior pieces out and set them aside so we can put the sound deadener down. And when I get ready to do that, I'll make sure to put all of the part numbers and links to those parts, the materials that I got for that in the description. So thanks again for checking out the video, guys. Remember, hit that like, subscribe, notification bell, and share. Thanks for checking out the channel. And if there's nothing else, take care of yourselves, take care of each other, and always be safe. And we'll see you next time. But until then, I should go.